Antarctica. 400 meters beneath the ice. No light, no oxygen. And yet, something is alive. For nearly 2 million years, it has survived in total isolation. This is the world beneath blood falls. What scientists found here may be one of the oldest ecosystems on Earth. Or possibly something far more disturbing. In 1911, the Terra expedition, led by Robert Falcon Scott, arrives in one of the harshest environments on Earth. The McMurdo Dry Valleys, a frozen desert almost devoid of life. There they reach Taylor Glacier, and soon the expedition witnesses something impossible. One explorer writes in the expedition log, "It looked as if the glacier itself was bleeding." Scientists searched for an explanation. First hypothesis, red algae. Certain microorganisms cause red tides in the ocean, turning entire waters crimson. But analysis found no such algae in the water. Second theory, rust. Iron turns red when it oxidizes. Perhaps groundwater was rising through the glacier, reacting with oxygen, producing rust. But this water contained almost no oxygen at all. The mystery deepened. Then came a discovery that shocked the scientific community. Inside the red liquid, scientists found microorganisms. But what made it truly unbelievable was the water itself, 3 to 4 times saltier than seawater, surviving in such salinity. Without light, without oxygen, is almost impossible. In 2009, scientists mapped the structure beneath Taylor Glacier using radar and subsurface sensors. What they found was astonishing. Nearly 400 meters below, a massive ancient brine lake, a sealed world. Around 2 million years ago, advancing ice trapped it completely. No sunlight, no oxygen, temperatures close to freezing. And yet, life survived. Most life on Earth depends on sunlight and oxygen, but these microbes are different. They obtain energy through chemical reactions involving iron and sulfate. In simple terms, they feed on rust. Scientists discovered a self-sustaining energy cycle inside a completely sunless environment. A discovery that overturned long-held assumptions in biology. As these microbes process iron, oxidation occurs. The water turns red, which means blood falls is the visible byproduct of a hidden microbial ecosystem. These organisms have survived in extreme isolation for millions of years. Their biochemical structure may be unlike anything in modern biology. They could interact with human cells in unexpected ways. Existing antibiotics could be rendered useless, and they may be beyond the reach of modern medicine. Here's the chilling part. These microbes consume iron through microbiologically influenced corrosion, accelerating the breakdown of metals. According to the National Association of Corrosion Engineers, global corrosion damage costs approximately $2.5 trillion every year. Oil pipelines, cargo ships, bridges. Some of that destruction is caused by microbial corrosion. If these microbes spread beyond their isolated environment, the consequences could be severe. And because they defy ordinary biological rules, conventional containment may not work. To prevent contamination, scientists avoid drilling into subglacial reservoirs whenever possible. Researchers have only studied microbes that emerge naturally through the red outflow, which means we still do not know what truly exists in the depths of that lake. The lake does not freeze even at -7 degrees Celsius. High salinity and immense pressure keep it liquid. For millions of years, a sealed aquatic world. Such isolation suggests something extraordinary. Life evolving completely independent. For this very reason, one organization watches blood falls closely. NASA. The site is now central to astrobiology.
Liftoff of spaceship.
The study of life beyond Earth. Could life exist on Mars? The Curiosity rover has found evidence of sulfates, iron, and ancient water environments on Mars. Conditions remarkably similar to those beneath blood falls. The Martian surface is hostile, extreme cold, intense radiation, almost no oxygen. Yet scientists believe briny water may still exist beneath the surface. By studying these Antarctic extremophiles, NASA hopes to unlock the secrets of life on Mars and ultimately the very origins of life on Earth. But this is where things become truly strange. In almost every environmental aspect, this place resembles Mars more than it does Earth. There are simply too many similarities to dismiss as coincidence, and that raises a disturbing question. Why would organisms on Earth possess biological mechanisms perfectly adapted to Martian conditions? Some independent researchers propose a far more radical theory, that tens of thousands of years ago, an ancient civilization, perhaps even extraterrestrial, witnessed the destruction of a Mars-like world. Before its collapse, they preserved fragments of life, a biological backup, hidden within Earth's most remote environment. According to this theory, the microbes at blood falls are only a fraction of what lies below. Inside the subglacial lake, an entire ecosystem may still exist. Life forms from beyond our world, unlike anything humanity has imagined. Fragments of an ancient terraforming project. The idea sounds outrageous, but some argue it explains the coincidences better than anything else. Then, in 2018, something strange happened. Scientists detected a sudden shift in the upper section of Taylor Glacier. Glaciers normally move over decades or even centuries, but here, tens of thousands of tons of ice suddenly sank by nearly 1 inch. That pressure forced the crimson liquid deep below to surge upward violently through cracks in the ice. Blood falls erupted again without warning. For 2 million years, the subglacial lake had remained stable. So why did the pressure reach its limit now? Did something awaken? Some scientists attribute the event to climate change. But many questions remain unanswered. And the silence surrounding those questions is just as unsettling. Is blood falls merely a strange natural phenomenon? Or the oldest laboratory on Earth? For now, the truth remains sealed beneath the ice. This has been Forbidden Atlas.